Daisy? I know. Daisy. Alright guys, he's coming in. Here you go, Mama Bridget. Hi, Daddy. It's okay, people. It's okay. It's okay, no. It's okay. Okay to eat. Any of these pants? Oh, okay, I need to finish feeding. I know. There you go first. And there you go, two. These. Teddy. Ayan, iba ning gonna try and go and just find. I really don't know where the kittens are. Last time I checked in our previous video, she had them right there, but I haven't heard them in a while. But I have seen them come in here, so imagine, and I hope they're in here and they're okay, because she didn't let me move the last time. I can't find them. I see her standing here when she comes inside, but there they are. Oh god, something just fell on me. Oh. I'm gonna try and move them, because look at this place. It's packed with insects. And dangerous wires, cockroaches, and even mice. I'm going to try and lure her inside the building and then come and move them. So some of you might have seen our downstairs area in our previous videos. I'll show you guys a bit more today. So we have multiple beds here, blankets, and here we have cushions, blankets, beds, and there's more beds under there in the little house. We are going to revamp this even more. I managed to clean everything. It was a literally dump before I managed to clean the area. And here's where we feed them. The second downstairs keeping area. About the sleeping area. We also have a night light for them on that magnet on the wall, and we put it there, but now it ran out of battery, so we took it upstairs to charge it. It charges with electricity, and it goes on for like 2 weeks, so it's good. So did she? Oh, she's still there. I'm trying to think what to do to lure her downstairs. Here we go. Come on. Oh my god, we opened the door. Okay. So I distracted her with the food, and I'm going to try and save her cats. Oh god. Need to act fast. God knows what else is in this box, like. Oh, here they are. Oh god, the box is half broken. Okay, let's go. Stay quiet. Okay. I'm gonna put them. Hi, little guy. Aren't you beautiful? Come on, stay in here. Okay. I'm gonna put you in there. Good boy. She still hasn't come out. I've got time for the second one. And the second one is the one that keeps meowing. So. Okay. Oh, but where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Pick it up like it's mum. Might let me out and let me out. Oh god, she saw me. Oh, she's talking to me from down there. Alright, you guys. Bridget? Oh, at least we tried. Bridget. 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 Don't growl at me. Don't growl. There's no place for your kittens, Bridget. You moved them. They're in there now.